Go. Left 4 into small crest. Care right 3 times 2, 40 crest. Caution hairpin left, opens 40 crest into left 3 long. And right 4 long tightens. Left 6 over crest and small crest into right 4 over crest into left 2 right 660 right 4 long 100 over bumps and caution small crest jump and right 6 over crest jump maybe 40 left 5 and bump. Right 3 over crest, open 60 bump. Right 5 long, tightens over crest 40. Left 4 tightens 3 and right 3 into left 5 over crest 40. Left 2 over crest long and right 3 into left 5. And right 4 over small crest 60 over bump. Left 5 crest 60 over small crest. And keep left over crest into right 2 long. And left 2 through dip, open 6 and tightens 2 over crest. And right 6 through dip. Left 3 over crest and right 6. Left 2 opens 40. Right 3 opens and tightens 40. Small crest jumps 60 past junction. Caution right 4, left 1 past junction. Left 5. Right 3 half long, opens into crest 40. Left 2. Into right 2 long. Left 5, 60 through dip, crest. And right 5 long over 2 crests, 40. Left 3 long, 60. Care right 4 tightens over crest, 40. Right 4 long over crest. Into left 2 half long, 40. Right 2 into right 3 half long 40 left 2 and left 3 and left 4 40 right 4 half long 60 crest into right 3 through dip into left 5 and right 3 40 past junction. Left 3 long over crest opens and tightens 2 and right 2 opens 60 over crest jump maybe to finish. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. Left 3. Into right 2 tightens 1. Into left 4 half long. Into right 4 long. And caution crest left 3 tightens. And right 5. Into right 4 half long, over bump 60, left 3 through dip, tightens 2 over crest 80. 6 over small jump, into right 6, 60 over small crest, and caution left 3 continues over 2 crests, 80. Right 4 half long, 130 line over small crest. Left 4 through dip, keep in crest, 60. Right 3 half long, 40. Left 3 don't cut, into crest, 60. Right 6, 80. Right 6 over bump, continues for 80. And left 6 long, over bump, 80 over bumps. Caution right 6 over long crest. Into left 6. And caution right 5 over small jump and small jump. Right 5 over jump pad camber. And left 5 into right 6 bump. Left 5 and right 6 half long over bump, don't cut, 80. Left 5 and keep right over long crest. Caution left 4 long, opens past junction, 60. Caution turn square back late, narrows. 100. Crest 100. Right 4 past junction 130. Left 4 don't cut. And right 4 opens and continues for 80. 60 bridge 130. Keep right over jump. Into left 5 long over crest, 150 over bumps. Caution braking crest, right 4 continues for 80. 100, past junction, crest jump, maybe 40. Left 4 half long over bump, open 60 bump. Right 4 long past junction, tightens, into crest, and left 4 half long, 40. Right 3, 100. Right 3 long, opens over crest line for 100. Caution bump, left 4, right 5. And left 3 tightens over crest. Into right 5 over bump, 40. Caution left 3 over crest. And open hairpin right. Into left 3, 60 crest, 40. Left 5 long. Into caution right 6 over bump. And left 4 half long, don't cut, 80. Left 5, 40. Left 3 over crest bump, 80. Caution right 4 over crest past junction. Left 2 half long and crest. Into right 3 long over bump, tightens. And right 5 over bump, 40. Left 3 long past junction, opens. Into right 6. And left 3 long. Into right 4 over crest bump, tightens 2. And right 3 over crest to finish. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. Crest, right 6 long, tightens 40. Caution, line over 2 crests, left 4 over crest jump maybe, 40, bump dip. Left 5 continues for 80 over bump and big bump 40. Right 5 and left 5 long over bump. Into left 5, keep in. Into caution, left 5 over crest, bump dip. Right 5 over jump. Left 5 long, tightens over crest, 80 through dip. Care left 5, 60 over bumps. Right 3 over crest, 80. Left 4 and crest, 60. Right 4 tightens 3. And left 2 half long. And right 3 opens bad camber, 40. Caution, keep left over crest, 40, left 3. Into right 4, half long, tightens 3, bump. And turn right 4, tightens 3. And left 4 over bump, opens and tightens 80. Keep mid over big jump, 40. Right 6 long over bumps, and left 4 half long, 40. Right 5 over crest jump, into left 4 half long over bump, and right 5 half long, into caution crest jump, and left 3 tight, don't cut bump. And right 2 long, into left 3 crest, into right 2 long, tightens 80. Caution right 4 over crest jump, tightens 60. Left 3 over bump crest, 60 crest. Into left 4 half long, crest jump. Right 5, 60. Right 4, 40. Right 6 over small crest into left 5 half long. And caution right 6 into left 3 long past junction, 40. Crest jump. Right 5 long and keep left over crest jump maybe. And right 6, 60, crest. Left 5 tightens over crest, bad camber, 60. Right 6 through dip, and caution, keep left over crest, bump, 60. Left 5 long over crest, bump, 60, crest jump dip, finish. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. 80 dip into right 6, 40, keep mid over crest, 40. Keep right over crest jump maybe. Caution 60 crest jump, immediate left 4 long, bump, 40. Left 5 continues 80 over crest, bump crest. 60 small crest bump and right 3 crest. Into left 6, 100. Left 4 over crest, into right 5 over small crest, 100 over small crest bump. Right 6, left 3 half long, 40. Caution crest jump maybe. Left 4 over crest, opens and crest. Right 5 half long, and left 6 over crest, 60. Care down, turn square left, don't cut. Into long crest. And right 3 long, 60. Left 5 over crest, half long, tightens 2 crest, 40. Caution left 5, into right 6 over crest jump maybe, left 6 100, left 4 long over crest, opens and tightens, into right 3, opens long 130, long crest, and right 4 over crest, and left 3, tightens 2 long, and right 3, and right 3 half long 40, left 2 keep in, into right 4, and left 4 opens over crest 80, caution left 5 over crest jump, continues over crest 100, right 2 long, into left 2 keep in, into right 3 opens long 60 over small crest, left 4 60, right 6 long tightens 3 over bump 40, left 2 through dip don't cut, into right 4 and left 3 past junction 40, right 6 over crest and keep left over long crest and crest and right 4 over crest bump, left 5 and small crest 100, left 6 into crest jump maybe 80 bump, right 6, care left 6 over small crest jump 100 over 2 crests, turn left 3 long, opens past junction 50 crest, and right 4 long crest 40, left 3 tight don't cut, 60 crest jump maybe, and right 3 through dip crest, left 5 half long, and care right 2 over bump, small crest bump 40, caution turn left 2, 60, right 5 past junction 40, care left 3 over small crest, opens past junction and tightens over crest, right 4 keep in, 40 over long crest, right 4 half long, into left 4 half long, 60 through dip, left 5 half long over crest, into right 5 40, right 6 over crest jump maybe, and left 6 over bump, and right 5 60, left 5, right 3 tight, and left 5 40, right 5 long over crest, tightens 3 60, right 5 over crest jump maybe, into left 5 long through bump dip, 40 over crossroads, right 3 40 through dip, finish. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80 dip, into right 6, 40, keep mid over crest 40, keep right over crest jump maybe, caution 60 crest jump, immediate left 4 long, bump, 40, left 5 continues for 80 over crest, bump crest, 60 small crest bump and right 3 crest, into left 6 100, left 4 over crest, into right 5 over small crest 100 over small crest bump, right 6, left 3 half long, 40, caution crest jump maybe, left 4 over crest opens and crest, right 5 half long, and left 6 over crest 60, care down, turn square left, don't cut, into long crest, and right 3 long, 60, left 5 over crest half long, tightens 2 crest, 40, caution left 5, into right 6 over crest jump maybe, left 6, 100, left 4 long, over crest, opens and tightens, into right 3, opens long, 130, long crest, and right 4 over crest, left 3 tightens 2 long, and right 3, and right 3 half long 40, left 2 keep in, into right 4, and left 4 opens over crest 80, caution left 5 over crest jump, continues over crest 100, right 2 long, into left 2 keep in, into right 3 opens long, 60 over small crest, left 4 60, right 6 long, tightens 3 over bump, 40, left 2 through dip, don't cut, into right 4, and left 3 past junction 40, right 6 over crest and keep left over long crest, and right 4 over crest bump, left 5 and small crest 100, left 6 into crest jump maybe 80 bump, right 6, care left 6 over small crest jump 100 over 2 crests, turn left 3 long, opens past junction 50, crest, and right 4 long, crest 40, left 3 tight, don't cut, 60 crest jump maybe, and right 3 through dip, crest, left 5 half long, and care right 2 over bump, small crest bump 40, caution turn left 2 60, right 5 past junction 40, care left 3 over small crest, opens past junction and tightens over crest, right 4 keep in 40 over long crest, right 4 half long, into left 4 half long, 60 through dip, left 5 half long over crest, into right 5 40, right 6 over crest jump maybe, and left 6 over bump, and right 5 60, left 5, right 3 tight, and left 5 40, right 5 long over crest, tightens 3 60, right 5 over crest jump maybe, into left 5 long through bump dip, 40 over crossroads, right 3 40 through dip,